Hello guys, this is Tsegyal. We are almost met with an accident. For some time out here. This is Tsegyal and this is Tsegyal. Bro, were you late? This is a beautiful place. Hey guys, Siddharth here and welcome back to my video. Today me and my friends have planned to go for cycling. So I'm going to meet my friends at Gangtok. After that we are going to hire some cycles. So I'll just quickly prepare all my stuffs because I have to reach Gangtok in 40 minutes. So I'm going to meet you guys with my friends out there in Gangtok. So see you soon. Finally they are here. This is Tsegyal.
Welcome to my channel.
Tsegyal. के मुखी छ तैले बर्थडे केक कसको This is Siddharth Tamang. खाना है तातो तातो भयो So this Siddharth Tamang has his own company and the company's name is Wabisabi. So he's waiting for his customer because he wants to deliver this product first, then we'll go for cycling. So he's just waiting for that customer. Yeah, and Sanam Chuki is also here. So we are finally here and we are going to hire the bicycles from here. MS on the saddle. They are just trying which will be comfortable for them. We started our ride from Chanbari and we stopped at Bakthang Falls for 5 minutes.
So hello guys, we are waiting for Appa. We are waiting for Appa because he forgot his gloves and he has gone to bring them back.
Get them back. So we are just waiting here. We finally reached Bakthang Falls and see my friends are also coming. Actually, this is uphill, so we are very tired. I think we'll rest for some time out here. We'll rest for some time out here. This is Tsegyal and this is Tsegyal. And you can see this view here in Bakthang Falls. If you have never been out here, please do come here because this place is very beautiful. From here we'll go till Tasi Viewpoint and we'll rest a while in Tasi Viewpoint. So now we are heading towards Tasi Viewpoint. Let's go, Tsegyal. Okay, bro, wait for me, okay? I'm coming. So now here we are. We finally reached Tasi Viewpoint and there is Tsegyal. He's waiting for me. Now from here we'll go to a place where we can eat nicely. So after that we'll come here and explore this place. So but we are finally out here and from now, you know, the lanes are very good. We can ride the cycle the way we want. So we are very excited right now. So guys, stay tuned. We're just going to eat something and we'll come here and explore this place again. Right now we are at Ganesh stop and Tsegyal is coming just now. So Tsegyal is in the house. Bro, were you late? So now we are at Ganesh Stock and the weather out here is very nice. We'll eat something out here. I think we'll go to Pangthang side because they also will get a nice view. But Tsegyal, why are you late, bro? Those two guys are eating something out there and now after eating here we'll go towards Pangthang. Now we are going to have some orange juice. Hazur? Disposable may dinos na. Fazil huncha. You get to pay 60 rupees for this one cup. Fresh orange juice. You can see Tsegyal, Chewang and Siddharth Tamang, they are getting ready. Now we are going towards the food truck where we will go and have some lunch.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Why man? It's not recording. Why man? I think I'm facing with some storage issues. So guys, we are here at food truck. Come here. Now we did something. You'll get to see this food truck in Bulbule, and you know you get to eat tasty foods out here. Do come and try the food out here. Now we are going to rest for some time and we'll again go to another track.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware.
Way back to Tashi viewpoint. We are returning from Stock. The guy in front is Siddharth. He wanted to get featured in his own vlog, so he gave me the responsibility to do the vlogging. So hello guys, this is Tsegyal. We are almost went with an accident. Okay, so let's speed up a bit. We need to catch up with them. Siddharth wanted to get featured in his own vlog, so he gave me the responsibility of vlogging, so I am doing the vlog right now. Yeah, you see the hi Siddharth.
Yo bro.
It's a very pleasant day today, so we thought, you know why, we could go out for cycling, and it turned out to be fun. So we are here. Okay, we've reached the destination. कता जाने आज? रातै छ.
So now we are going uphill. So we are just walking because we cannot ride here. The road is narrow. So now we are going to another destination and Tsegyal is our alikiti. Huh? मजा देख्दैछ नि त. So now we are going to another destination and so this is our final destination, guys, and it's very beautiful. Now we are walking through this road. Oh my god, let's see. Oh man, this is a beautiful place. We reached here, and it's a very beautiful place. Zoom more.
अगाडि जान्छु भने त्यही हो कि
So now we are returning back. This is Tsegyal preparing his helmet and Siddharth Tamang, as always handsome. Chong Gelsin is paying the bill. So guys, you can see that we reached Vajra and it's getting late and it's also getting darker. But no worries, we are about to reach now. Just 10 minutes left. After 10 minutes, we'll be to our destination where we will return back our bicycles and where we hired before. Just a matter of 10 minutes, guys. We'll reach there soon. Enjoy our vlogs. Actually, we are very close to shop, so we decided to go for small ride just here, so that we can enjoy our last trip. Let's go. यहाँ से नहीं हो बे. So from here and walk. I'll walk again because I'm not able to speak nicely because I'm tired and breathless. So I'm not able to think. I don't know even what I'm speaking this.
So we are finally done with the day
and we are going back to home.
We are going back to our home.
Today was fun and I don't think I'll be able to upload this video today or tomorrow because I'm very tired and I need some time. I'll rest and I'll edit this video very slowly, so you'll get to see this video after 2-3 days. Okay. This is Siddharth Tamang and he has his own company known as Wabisabi. Do buy some merchandise from his.
Follow Wabisabi on Instagram.